Today, I'm gonna take one jigsaw, some pieces of paper, and a 1x12, and I'm gonna turn it into the best-selling custom project you've ever seen. Let's go. So these trays can be made in any imaginable shape. All you need to do is be able to print it off on a piece of printer paper. We've got the fish, we've got the chick, and then of course, we've got a Christmas tree, because it's almost Christmas. You guys can do it with any logo, with any design, with anything you could think of, really, that you could print out on a piece of paper. So grab your 1x12 here. We got a 6-foot long 1x12. All I'm doing now is I'm just placing down this piece of paper and I'm tracing it. I just want to get the outside line nice and bold. So just go ahead and trace that with your pencil, then make a mark above it, and then we're gonna cut that out on the miter saw. While you're over there at the miter saw, make another cut that is the exact same size as that other one. So just line it up, even it out, cut that one out. So I drilled a couple pilot holes, got started with the jigsaw, and I just took my time. It took a little bit of time, but wasn't too bad, probably only 15 minutes. So now we're gonna take this frame and we're going to glue it onto our other piece that we cut out. See where this is going? See where this is going? I did end up cutting in a little bit somewhere right here, but shouldn't be a problem. We'll be able to fill it later. But yeah, glue this on. We're also gonna do this with our other two, the fish and the chick. And they'll look something like this. Nice. All right, now we're gonna glue them all. So we're just gonna take them, flip them over, get some glue on there, and then rub it in. All right, now we just gotta flip them over, line them up, and clamp them. Ooh.
All right. What do I say? How do I say it? Who do I say it to? Do I look at the camera? Do I not look at the camera? What am I doing? All right, so it's been a couple weeks. Peter is now on vacation with his family for Thanksgiving, but I have the project. I have some amount of woodworking skills, so I'm just gonna finish the video without him so that I can get it uploaded for you guys. But the next step in making these trays look more like trays is to match the inside shape with the outside. I'm taking a compass here. I think this is called a compass. Anyways, let me know in the comments if I'm wrong. And before you draw anything with that compass, you're gonna wanna look at your piece and find, the least amount of room you have on one side to the edge, because that is the thinnest that your walls will be able to be. So I actually bought this compass recently at the hardware store, not knowing we were gonna do this project. I just thought it would be kind of fun to have. And I remember using it in like middle school art class. And Pete was at the store with me and he was like, "Why are you buying a compass? You're never gonna use a compass." Well, here we are, Pete. But anyways, I'm just repeating this process on all of our shapes to get all the outsides of our trays. Now we're gonna bring our jigsaw back over here and get to cutting them out. And this is a brief pause to let you know that you definitely wanna toss on a fresh blade when you're doing this. It's just quite a bit of material that this jigsaw is going through, and it's two pieces that are glued together. It's definitely wanting to kind of skip around on me. If you have a bandsaw, this would be a lot easier. We don't have a bandsaw down here yet, so here we go. And I wish I had a cool blacktail style explanation for what I'm doing here, but I'm just cutting the shape out on the jigsaw. I'm just leaving maybe a 1/16 of an inch on my lines, just so I can sand it down to the line later, get a nicer finish. And you guys get the point. So here is the 3 shapes all cut out.
All right, guys, we're back. John, whatever you did in the last clip, thanks. It's full disclosure, it's 2 months later. I think we've been filming this video for 2 months, but here they are, they're done. Yeah, they look great. We're just trying to get stuff out to you. I mean, Merry Christmas at this point. Happy Thanksgiving. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. Sorry it took us so long to post a new video. John got
John got a new job.
John got a new job, so it's been a little hectic. But we're getting back to making videos. But these things are awesome. You can make them just with a jigsaw, like we did. Christmas theme. Good thing we thought about Christmas 2 months ago. But yeah, we got the tree. We've got the fish over the chick. The chick doesn't have legs because it was too difficult. I have legs. I'm in my PJs. Because we had to film. It's been so long. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber, the end of this video is going to be insane to you. But if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Again, sorry we took so long to... Thank you. Sorry it took so long to post a video. Tom, we are okay. Tom sent us an email to make sure we're okay. Very sweet, Tom. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. That was bad.